Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Getting Handsy. Today we're looking at a game called Evolution. Just got it, it's another Kickstarter for me, so let's take a look. Okay, so here's everything in the box. We got cards, some cardboard cutout things, a big pond, a bunch of little cardboard food. We've got the rules. Some little player handbooks, a nice card to make up names, and then some little bags to store your food in. They've all got little neat pictures on them, so let's take a closer look. Okay, so first off we're going to take a look at some of the cardboard stuff, and then the rules. The rules, there aren't too many pages. It looks pretty straightforward. It gives you a list of the cards in the back, so there's even less rules than that. Rules take up maybe 6 pages, something like that, 6-8. So, not too bad. These are your animal things. So basically, you'll use stuff to mark and make sure that you know that what your body size is, how many you have, and how much food they have. So, those are those. You can have multiple animal species at one time, which is why there are so many of these. Next, we've got all of the food tokens. So, these food tokens, there's tons of them. Basically, they go in the pond. And each time you start a new round, more food goes in the pond, and then you have to take food out. So, okay, so next, we've got a little dinosaur. I think that's just kind of a token to show who's doing what, who starts and stuff, but I'm not sure. These are the little cubes that I had actually misplaced and weren't at the beginning of this. So, but these are what you use to mark these. So, one goes in the body size, one goes in the population, and that's how you mark how big and how many of your species there are. The next part are these little bags. When you collect food, then you put the food in these bags, and each bag's got a different picture on them. They're really cool looking, nice art style. So there's 6 different bags. Okay, so last in the initial Evolution box are the Evolution player guides, and actually that's where the naming convention was, on the back of that. But so the player guides show you the cards and tell you what happens. Then when you make something based on these cards, it gives you little sample names if you want to name your creature. So we could have like a lardo nom nom if something was fat tissue and a carnivore. So a fat carnivore is a lardo nom nom. The evolution trait cards are what all of these are. There's a ton of them. Basically, these are the cards that you make your creatures with. So you draw cards and you add them on there. So like, here's a carnivore card. It means that your creature has to eat other things, cannot eat plants. Symbiosis, long neck, I mean there are all sorts of things in here. So you can make a lot of different types of animals. They can do tons of different things, and that's also basically how you win. Is you want to make an animal that can survive, that either completely destroys other species or can withstand the other species. So if there's a carnivore that's eating everything, then somehow maybe you get a card that says like, let's see, defensive herding. So carnivores have to be bigger than you, or have a larger population to attack you. So if you make a super large population of creatures and then give them that, then it makes it so that the carnivores have a harder time eating you. So there's that. Because this was a Kickstarter, I also got the expansion pack, so let's take a look at that as well. Okay, so here is the Flight expansion pack for Evolution. Comes with a couple different things, and we'll show you what they are. This is it's a cliff, and so it goes next to the pond area, And only flying animals can eat from here. So there's food put here as well as in the pond, but only flying animals can come to the cliff. So it's a way that they can get food that would be inaccessible to the regular ground animals. So that's that. Each flying creature starts with one of these as a trait. That's a flight card. Basically, it takes up one of their traits so they can't get super overpowered. They're all big, heavy cardboard type stuff, I guess. Yeah. They also get a new type of board. Basically, they have the same type as the other one. They can't be as big because they're flying, so their body size does not go up as high. Their population is still there, and then the food source up there. The thing about birds is they have to eat for their body size first before they can eat to survive, or something basically like that. So they have to do extra because they're flying, so they need more energy from the food. So they have to get these first before they can go up here. And then the last two things that we get in the flight is we get this nice hard bird, which is like that dinosaur, and then we also get a nice little bird bag. So that was Evolution, the game where you make creatures and evolve them to try and survive. We played it a couple times. It's pretty fun. Take a look at it. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm sure we'll have more videos, so thanks for watching. Bye.